All right, day 3 of running. I'm gonna try it with the selfie stick. I'm doing this mainly for myself, just to motivate myself. So I'm gonna go out the back gate, see how we do. Quads are sore, and I can't hold this stupid selfie stick for long while I'm running, so I've never done this before. Here we go. Oh, perfect weather. Damn. My quads feel like 2 pillars of concrete, like real heavy. So I'm gonna try to go a little bit farther today than I did yesterday, just a little bit each day. Try not to skip a day. It'll get better, I know it will. So I'm gonna collapse this thing down and open it back up when I feel better, and hopefully that won't take long. Okay, a little over halfway. Legs feel better, still heavy. Man, I'm out of shape, but only one way to get in shape is to keep going, not give up, keep running. I'm 59 and a half. I want to stay active. If anybody's interested in getting off the couch and running the Monterey Bay Half Marathon, sign up. We'll run together. You got time. It's 13.1 miles, right? I'm barely making 2, but by November, 13.1, I got it. All right, running with a selfie stick is not as hard as I thought. All right, I'm gonna sign off until I stop. Oh, okay, 2.31 miles, 9-minute pace. Hydrangeas are pretty. Always when I run, it's the second half. My legs feel strong. Always was a good finisher. Slow starter. And once again, our hydrangeas are off the hook this year. They didn't do that well last year. So anyways, 3rd day of running. Increased my mileage from 2 miles to 2.3. Still feels slow. 9-minute pace. So, day 4 tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.